from President Duterte. Meron siyang message kanina. Ang sabi lang niya, para sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami, meaning siya, ako, at yung iba pang mga kapamilya namin. Nandito kami so as long as gusto pa kami ng tao.
Yes!
Hindi kami, sabi niya, hindi kami mamimilit kung ano yung gusto ng taong bayan. I thank you for your continued support. Alam nyo, I am truly blessed as a politician kasi kahit anong paninira ng mga kalaban sa akin, nandyan pa rin yung taong bayan.
Yes! The trust is still
The supporters from 2015, from 2016, from 2019, from 2022, nandyan pa rin kayo. At hindi kayo, and then you know how to discern ano yung paninira at ano yung katotohanan. And for that, I am truly blessed. And as I said, I thank you on behalf as well of all my colleagues in the Office of the Vice President. Dahil isa lang naman ako ako lang yung muka ng Office of the Vice President. Pero yung trabaho sa opisina ay ginagawa ng maraming tao. And on behalf of my colleagues in the OVP, we thank you for your continued support and trust in our office. Thank you so much once again for this time with you, and I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.